Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna's Scholars. In this video we will talk about Ashoka the Great. One of India's most celebrated rulers, was the third emperor of the Maurya dynasty. He reigned from 268 BCE to 232 BCE and is known for his transformative journey from a ruthless conqueror to a devout follower of Buddhism. His reign marked a golden age in Indian history during which he promoted peace, tolerance, and welfare for all his subjects. Ashoka's legacy endures in Indian culture and history, particularly through his contributions to Buddhism and his iconic symbols such as the Ashoka Chakra featured on Indian national flag. Life of Ashoka. Ashoka was born in 304 BCE to Emperor Bindusara and his queen. He was one of many princes in royal household, but soon proved himself a capable and ambitious leader. As a young prince, he was sent to govern various provinces where he gained administrative and military experience. After the death of his father, Bindusara, a fierce struggle for a succession ensued. Ashoka emerged victorious, reportedly after eliminating his rivals, and ascended the throne in 268 BCE. Initially, his reign was marked by aggressive expansion and military conquest. The turning point in Ashoka's life came after the Kalinga War, a brutal campaign that resulted in massive bloodshed and suffering. Witnessing the aftermath of the war profoundly impacted Ashoka's, leading him to renounce violence and embrace Buddhism. Ashoka devoted the rest of his reign to spreading Buddhist teachings, promoting non-violence, and implementing policies for the welfare of his people. He built stupas, monasteries, and pillars, inscribed with edicts that emphasized compassion, tolerance, and justice. His administration was efficient and humane, focusing on public health, education, and infrastructure. Ashoka died in 232 BCE, leaving behind a legacy of moral leadership and a united empire. Interesting facts about Ashoka. The Kalinga's War impact. The devastating Kalinga War led Ashoka to adopt Buddhism and advocate for non-violence. Buddhist patronage. Ashoka is credited with spreading Buddhism across Asia, sending missionaries to regions like Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Southeast Asia. Ashoka's edicts. He inscribed his policies and philosophies on rocks and pillars across his empire, some of which still stand today. Symbol of the Ashoka Chakra. The 24-spoke wheel for Ashoka's pillar is now part of India's national flag. Animal welfare advocate. Ashoka's banned animal sacrifices and promoted kindness to animals, building hospitals for their care. The first global emperor. He maintained diplomatic relations with other kingdoms, spreading Indian culture and values beyond his empire. Largest Indian empire. Under Ashoka, the Mauryan Empire became the largest empire in the Indian history, covering most of the Indian subcontinent. Conversion to Buddhism. Ashoka's transformation after Kalinga War remains one of the most profound personal changes in history. Rock and Pillar Edicts. These edicts are among the earliest examples of written Indian history and proved insights into Ashoka's rule. His title, Divanam Priya. Ashoka is often referred to himself as Divanam Priya, meaning beloved of the gods. At the end, I would like to say that Ashoka the Great remains a towering figure in history, celebrated for his unparalleled transformation from a ruthless conqueror to the benevolent ruler guided by Buddhist principles. His emphasis is on peace, tolerance, and public welfare, left a lasting impact on India and the world. Today, Ashoka's legacy serves as a reminder of the power of compassion and moral leadership in shaping the course of history. His reign not only unified a vast empire, but also laid the foundation for Buddhism to become a global religion. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with next title. Until then, take care and goodbye.